If you just got your dbrand iPhone Air skin, relax, this is going to be easy. First, wipe your device free of dust and fingerprints. For optimal results, ensure you are under bright lighting. A microfiber cloth has been included to help smooth down the edges. You will require a hairdryer for this installation, so pause the video now and go grab one. Welcome back. Remove the skin from the 3M paper and reattach as shown. Align the skin around the camera and flash. Once lined up flawlessly, apply pressure to the flat surface of the camera plateau. Next, apply firm pressure to form the skin below the camera bump. Once formed correctly, the bottom of the camera ramp should look like this. Now, rotate the 3M paper. Reattach as shown, and turn the phone upside down. Align the bottom of the skin against the corners of your iPhone Air. Once lined up perfectly, apply pressure to secure the skin in place. You may now remove the 3M paper entirely and smooth out the back surface. Next, we're going to apply the top edge of the skin. Before we start, apply one more round of pressure to the flat camera surface to make sure it's stuck down. Now, grab your hairdryer and heat the top flap until the material becomes soft. Next, apply pressure to form the skin above the camera. Once formed correctly, the top of the camera ramp should look like this. Before we apply the corner flaps, apply a round of heat below the camera. Once heated, apply pressure from the center outwards to channel out any trapped air. Finally, we're going to apply the flaps. The key to getting a seamless installation is by applying the flap so that the corner, highlighted here, meets the inner edge of the flap, highlighted here. Grab your hairdryer and heat one of the two flaps until it becomes soft. Start wrapping from the bottom corner. Secure a small portion of the skin with your thumb. Continue heating and applying, bit by bit, until the camera flap has been fully applied. If the flap isn't aligned correctly, just peel it back. Heat it up. Then try again. Repeat this process for the opposite side. Chances are you won't remember all those instructions, so jump back to the time shown on screen. See you back here in a bit. Any remaining bumps or wrinkles can be smoothed out by heating up the camera and rubbing with your microfiber cloth. Once complete, the skin should look like this. At this point, you may be noticing a sharp edge along the border of your iPhone. Let's take a moment to smooth it down. Grab your microfiber cloth and rub each edge 10 to 15 times. This friction will soften any sharp edges, making the skin feel like it's melting into your iPhone. Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.